Okay, in problem number 20, we're supposed to complete the following proof. Given that RU is parallel to ST and that angle S is congruent to angle U, we're supposed to prove that RS is congruent to TU. So the first thing is that RU and ST are parallel. That's given. Second one is that URT, which is this angle, right here, URT is congruent to STR, which is this angle right here. Alright, and that's because if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, the alternate interior angles are congruent. And you can see that this angle and that this angle are congruent, okay, because of that reason. Alright, then angle S is congruent to angle U, and the reason for that is that it's given. So you know this angle is congruent to this angle. And then RT is congruent to itself because of reflexive property. So we would just make a tick mark right there. And we can see that that triangle URT is congruent to STR because of the side angle angle postulate. Side angle angle, side angle angle, and therefore RS is congruent to TU right here. That those are congruent because of corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Alright, then heading down to 22. So we're supposed to supply reasons to complete the following proof. Given that AC, that's this right here, AC and BD bisect each other, that means E is the midpoint of both those lines, we can see that we're supposed to prove that AD is parallel to BC. Well, AD and BD by AC and DC bisect each other, that's given. That is a given statement. Okay? Alright? The fact that AE is congruent to CE and DE is congruent to BE, that's the definition of bisector. Okay? Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 is because of definition of vertical angles. Okay? AED, so this triangle and these two triangles in yellow are congruent to each other because of the side angle side postulate. And 3 and 4 are corresponding parts of congruent triangles, so CPCTC is the reason for that statement. And finally, we see that AD is parallel to BC because if two lines are cut by a transversal such that alternate interior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. And we're done.